So I know that I am not the only person that loves to smell good. And honey, my favorite way to smell good is with Dossier's fragrances. You guys, Dossier offers an array of different fragrances, girl, for you to get your smell good on. And today I have my favorite scent of the month that I am loving, that has been turning heads in each and every single room that I walk in. And baby, let me tell you, I am absolutely obsessed with it. It makes me feel so sexy. Boy oh boy, does your girl feel like a lady. This is a floral rhubarb, and you guys, I absolutely love this. It has top notes of orange blossom, peach, and ooh honey, I can smell that peach in there. It's just so sexy. It makes me feel so good, okay? It makes me feel like this burst of energy almost. It has middle notes of milky accord. You guys, you're going to absolutely love this scent. And even if this is not the scent for you, honey, I can guarantee you that Dossier has something that is going to have you feeling yourself, okay? Make sure that you check out Dossier down below in order to get your smell good on. And you guys, let's go ahead and get right into today's video. What's up, Glam fam? Did y'all miss your girl? Did y'all miss your girl? Let me know down below if y'all missed me, okay? I just want to know. Today is the first day of fall, okay? And your girl decided that I wanted to come on here and I wanted to chit chat and talk a little bit about my life, okay? Y'all be liking the life updates. I don't know why. Probably because this is where I show my real, authentic, silly, crazy self. But y'all be liking the life updates, honey. So what I need for y'all to do before I get into today's life update, as I always tell y'all, okay, if you ain't liking the video, you ain't supporting. If you ain't commenting under the video, you ain't supporting. I don't care if you just leave a few emojis. Honey, support the channel by showing your girl some love down below in the comment section, okay? Because it helps your girl out a lot, okay? It helps your girl to know who's really supporting and who's just here watching from the bushes and clicks out after 30 seconds of watching the video. Baby, you ain't supporting the kid, okay? You ain't a real Glam Star member. But my real Glam Star members, they gonna come through. They gonna comment down below. So let me know who you are, alright? Okay? Okay, girl. Alright. Okay, so today is September 21st, and this has been a very busy month for your girl, okay? Very hectic. We've been on the road a lot. If you are not aware of my life outside of YouTube, I definitely encourage you to watch my weekly vlogs and my weekend vlogs, because then through that you are able to learn a little bit more about what I have going on and how my life really is set up. So I have been on the road, traveling, okay, moving along, you know, touring. For those of y'all that do not know, my mom is a blues singer. She also has a YouTube channel here, so I encourage you guys to check that out. But I have been on the move, on the move, on the move. So I said, you know what, I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair, because I got so tired of dealing with my hair. I got so tired of dealing with my hair. I was like, you know what, let me shave this off, because I can't do this, okay? I couldn't deal with hair anymore. I just, it made me cringe on the inside. So I was like, mama, you know what, can you do me a little cut, okay? Can you do me a little cut, snip snip, you know, get rid of some of these dead ends, because that's really why I couldn't do anything with my hair. I couldn't wear my hair in its natural curly state. For those of y'all that do not know, I'll put a video or a picture beside me. My hair is curly and the curls were damaged, so there was nothing that I could do with them. The curls weren't giving what they were supposed to give. So I was like, can you shave this off, because it's not benefiting me. It's not benefiting me at all. And honey, she shaved it off. Well, she cut it off. Shaved it, cut it, whatever. She did a combination of both, and here I am. Now I have the finger waves going on, and I really like the finger waves, but I think that it's time for me to just let my hair grow out naturally and to flourish on its own. So I won't be in the short hair community for that long of a time, because I plan on growing my hair out. I plan on growing my hair out completely, fully, okay, all over. I'm not gonna have shaved sides. I'm not gonna have a shaved back. None of that, you guys. I'm growing my hair out completely. So definitely stay tuned for that, because I definitely will be, you know, sharing with you guys updates regarding that progression. And my hair actually grows extremely fast, so you guys, this is going to be a walk in the park as long as I keep everything healthy and right, because honey, I am not good when it comes to taking care of no hair. I ain't even gonna get on God's internet and lie. I ain't good at taking care of no hair, and you must know that about me, okay? Now, as y'all know, your girl has finally been able to get back on her YouTube game, okay? I've been MIA, and your girl had a day job. That's why. If you ain't watched no other videos, you need to go watch them, because your girl had a day job, and that ish was driving me insane. So now I'm finally back on the YouTube uploads, and I'm happy to be here, honey. I'm happy to deliver and provide and give to you guys what I want to give to y'all. I want to give to y'all Mattie realness, okay? And that's what I'm doing on today. So it's really exciting to me to be able to, you know, share my journey with you guys, because like I said, when I came on this platform, I felt like my life here was all just like, I wouldn't say scripted, but it was just so, and not even false. It was just, it wasn't my real, you know what I'm saying? You want to come on the platform and be able to be as open and as honest as possible. You want to be able to be you, baby. You want to be able to just allow people to know who you are, okay? So like I said, when you're doing videos like body care videos and things like that, it seems closed off because nobody knows who you are, honey. We don't know who you are. We just know that you posting a body care video. Okay, here's Mattie with another body care video. Let me click this. If you really support, you'll watch it, but 9 times out of 10 there's really no enjoyment there unless you're gaining the information from it and also adding it into your life. So more so of a vlogging channel do I have now, and I am enjoying it because, as you guys know, I feel like the older I get, the more that I desire to just be more open and honest, to share my relationship with you guys. Not really, you know, completely in depth, but to just kind of be more of Mattie, okay? These are the things that I love. These are the things that I enjoy. This is the person that I love. These are the people that I love. And I get enjoyment out of sharing that. I get enjoyment out of sharing the things that make me happy, okay? So I love the direction that my channel is going into, and you guys will be able to see me, you know, progress, get married, have kids, things like that, which is the direction that my life is currently going in. And it's just going to be something that is fun. I feel like this is going to be great because I can always go back and watch these memories, okay? You know what I'm saying? I can sit back and watch all of this with my grandkids one day, kick my feet up, and enjoy the content, okay? So that's that. And also, you know, I'm kind of pinpointing a lot of different things right now, okay? I'm 20, and I'm pinpointing, okay, do I want to stay in Memphis? Do I want to move out of Memphis? I'm just kind of, you know, bing, getting my mind together. My mind is already set on moving out of Memphis, but nonetheless, you know, I'm just setting my mind on all these different things. So you guys will basically be able to see the evolution of Mattie, and that's what your girl wanted, okay? I wanted you to be able to see the evolution of me. I wanted you to be able to see just stuff that I genuinely enjoy and I love watching when I come on, you know, the platform of YouTube, okay? So you would definitely be seeing that. So if you want to see a glimpse into my life, if you want to see what I look like fat and pregnant down the line, if you want to see me getting married, things like that, then definitely stay tuned because all of that is in the pipeline, okay, baby? We gonna enjoy life and we gonna live life. This is called Mattie's Glam Life for a reason, okay? I'm here to share my life with you guys and hope that you guys enjoy the journey, okay? And hope that we can add some more Glam Fam members onto the team as life progresses on, you know what I'm saying? So that's that. Now let me talk about this, you guys. So your girl has a little bit of like a shopping addiction, okay? And whoo, child, y'all should, nobody even knows how much stuff I actually have, but it's ridiculous at this point. So I'm going to try not to do as much shopping. I'm going to try to tone it down a little bit, but I need for y'all to help me, okay? What I need for y'all to do is, I don't know what the hell I need for y'all to do. Like, how do you tone down having a shopping addiction and having a literal hoarding mindset? Like, girl, I got too much stuff and it's ridiculous at this point. So if you're not seeing as many hauls after I get through the 50 million things that I have to haul, that's why, y'all. I have too much stuff. It's all brand new, and no, I'm not gonna give it away because a lot of it I look forward to wearing eventually. But you guys, it's ridiculous at this point. Okay, it's ridiculous. Okay, so I wanted to tell y'all about that because I know a lot of y'all love my hauls and things like that as well, and they're still gonna be coming, but not as fast as they was, baby, because I'm realizing I have issues. I need to check into Shopaholics Anonymous. I literally gain pleasure out of shopping. I don't gain pleasure out of spending money, but I gain pleasure out of shopping. Okay, nonetheless, I'm going to be uploading a vlog for you guys very soon because this is getting ready to be a very busy weekend for me, so I definitely will be vlogging for you guys, getting some good footage. So make sure that you stay tuned into your girl's channel because all of that stuff is going to be coming soon and you're gonna love it here. So if you ain't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And child, this has been a life update. This has been a life update. If you watched to the end, shout out to you. You's a real one. Okay, all right, that's it. That's all. Okay.